In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a landing page in MailerLite quickly and safely. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll need to log into your MailerLite account. Go ahead and sign in with your usual credentials, and you'll land on your main dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click on the option that says Sites. This is where all your landing pages and websites live, so it's the central hub for managing them. Once you're inside the Sites section, scroll through the list until you find the specific landing page you want to remove. Before you take any action, take a moment to review it. Confirm that the page is truly no longer needed, because once it's gone, you can't get it back through a simple undo. A good habit here is to consider exporting the page or duplicating it first if you think you might need it later. This gives you a backup copy without any risk. When you're sure it's safe to delete, find the three little dots, also known as the Options menu, next to that landing page. Click on those dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Delete. MailerLite will then show you a confirmation window to make sure you haven't changed your mind. Just click Delete again to proceed. Now, give MailerLite a moment to process the removal. The system will permanently delete the landing page from your account. Once it's done, refresh the page list to verify that the landing page is gone. A quick glance will confirm the deletion was successful. But you're not quite finished yet. It's important to check any email campaigns or advertisements that might still link to that page. If you find any old links pointing to the deleted URL, clean them up by removing or updating those links in your campaigns. This prevents anyone from clicking through to a dead page, and that's it. You've successfully removed a landing page from your MailerLite account, and you've tidied up the related links to keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.